Hello, good morning, children. Welcome in today's science class. Children, now your unit test is over. Before revisional classes, we were completing the lesson number 3 soil. We have done the book exercises, define words, short question answers, and long question answers were left, and some book exercises also. So, what we will do today? Today we will complete the book exercises and the long question answer of the lesson soil, and today we will complete this lesson also. Okay, children, I am going to share the book pages, the book exercises. You will see one by one and we will solve together. I am going to share my screen here. Yes, children, the name of lesson was soil. Let's revise. What is soil? The uppermost layer of the earth on which plants grow is called soil. You all know the soil is of three types: sandy soil, clayey soil, and loam. You have seen also. Huh? Let's do the book exercise. In short, we will read that. Okay, first we will read in short. Soil is the composed of gravel, sand, silt, clay, humus, air, and water. By mixing these are the composition of soil. Means soil is made by the sand, silt, clay, humus, and it contains air and water. And there are three types of soil: sandy soil, clay soil, and loam. And the different layers of soils are topsoil, on which plants grow; subsoil, where the roots are present; and the parent rock, where the big rocks are present. Wind, water, and human activities causes soil erosion. What is soil erosion? Soil erosion means removal of topmost fertile soil due to air, water, or by human activities. Soil erosion can be checked. It can be stopped by various methods, such as afforestation, means planting more and more trees; terrace farming, this is a method of farming the trees. And there are some keywords also. What is weathering? The process by which rocks are broken down into small pieces is called weathering. And how weathering occurs? Why? Due to the effect of sun's heat and rain's cold. And what is deforestation? Cutting down of forest due to humans' need is deforestation. And what is afforestation? Planting trees to form a forest is called afforestation. We all have completed these work. Let's check take the correct option, book exercises. Soil is a precious resource because it is very expensive. No. It cannot be moved easily. No. It is very heavy. No. Takes millions of years to form. So it is a precious resource. Soil is composed of sand, silt, and clay. B, air and water. C, humus. Or D, all of these. Soil is composed of all of these. The middle layer of soil in a soil profile is called the subsoil, where the root of the plants is present. Subsoil is the middle layer of the soil. Come to the fourth one. Soil erosion is caused due to overgrazing, afforestation, step forming, or weathering. It is due to the overgrazing. Come to the fifth one. What can protect soil from erosion and maintain its quality? By planting different types of crop at the different times, we can produce the fertility. We can increase the fertility of the soil. Come to the next. Fill in the blanks. Many medicines are prepared from bacteria and fungi that grow in the soil. And the largest soil particle is sand. and the most suitable soil for growing plants, loam, because it contains both air and water, which is required for growth of the plant. The bottom layer of the soil is called parent rock, and embankments are built along river bank to prevent soil erosion. By making this, we protect the soil from being eroded. Come to the third one, write true or false. Correct the false statement. Here we will write the true or false. Silt is not a part of soil. It is false. Silt is a part of soil. Clay particles can hold water for a long time. It is true. Subsoil is rich in humus. It is false. Topsoil is rich in humus. Which is rich in humus? Topsoil. Terrace or step slow down the flows of rainwater. Yes, it is true. That's why the terrace forming is done on the hill areas, on the mountains. Now circle the following words in the word search. You can do it. I will share this PDF in your WhatsApp group, from where you can do, you try to do yourself and check from this. This I have done for you. Okay, easily you can do. The words are at the first row, you can see erosion, and in the corner there is sand, silt, fertile, clay, bedrock, topsoil, sand. You can find all these words in this word search, in word D. Come to the next one. You will do with pencil in your book. Okay, try to do yourself. Children, here is one activity. This will show that what is the effect of soil erosion. Let us learn how running water causes soil erosion. What happens? The running water flows away the soil with it. How you can prove this? Take two shallow trays. Fill one tray with soil and fill the other tray with soil that is covered with grass. It means that there the grass are grown in the second tray on the soil. Keep both trays in a slanted position. Gently pour equal amount of water from a mug onto the soil for some time, and you collect the running water in an empty tray. Then what you will see, what you will observe, which tray has more soil and why? The tray number 1, which does not have any trees or grass, will have more soil. Why? And more water. Why? Because there the soil erosion will happen. The soil will flow with the water, and this is the reason of soil erosion. And we can prevent the soil erosion by planting trees. In the second tray, you will see that some grasses are there. They hold the soil firmly, so that you will observe that in the next tray there is less number of soil. There is no soil, only water is coming out. Why? Because the plants hold the soil firmly. Okay, so there is no soil erosion. This shows that to protect soil erosion, we must plant more and more trees. Am I right? You can see from in this picture, by doing this experiment or watching or by the observation, you can find these. That running water causes soil erosion. This happens in the earth where there is no plant. The soil is eroded fast by the running water due to the rain. Due to the heavy rain, the uppermost topsoil is washed away due to heavy rain. This is called soil erosion. Come to the next. Yes, children, these are some life skills. You tell me we should do these type work or no? What you will do to take care of soil? If you want to preserve the soil, what activities you will do and what you will avoid. Throw all the garbage on land. False. It will reduce the fertility of soil. Na? Dig a compost pit in a corner of your garden and put living waste material such as vegetable and fruits peels which come from your home as a waste. But if you make any food product, these things come out, na? Extra things. Dry leaves, flowers and tea leaves in it. Yes, of course, it is true. We will take care. We will do this. We should do this to improve the quality of the soil. After some time, the bacteria and fungi will make this more and more useful. And plant more trees. Yes, it preserves the soil erosion. This is good for soil health. Now, leave open areas in your garden without growing any plant. This is not true. This is false. This is wrong. We should not do this. Just we have seen in this activity, the trays where there were no grass, the uppermost layer of the soil is flown away with the water. The same thing happen in our garden also, as there will be heavy rainfall. The top fertile soil is washed away. So prevent the topsoil fertile. We must plant trees or grass. Avoid using plastic bags. Yes, we should not use plastic bag because it is harmful for the growth of plants. It does not make the soil good. So we should not use the plastic bags. Come to the next one. Yes, children, this is your notebook work. Already you have written the defined words and you have written the short question answer. Children, you have made the picture of layers of soil. Of course you have made. If it is left, you can make. There is a picture of soil profile in your book. From that, you will make a picture of layers of soil. Okay? Now, here are the long question answer. The question number 1 is, how is soil formed? Children, this time you understand the answer of the question. I will share this in the PDF form in your WhatsApp group. From there, you can copy down, just you understand. At that time, you should not become confused, or while you are learning, if you have understood the answer, it will be very, very easy. You can write the things in your own words. What is the question? How is soil formed? Long ago, answer 1 is, long ago there were only big rocks on the earth. These big rocks broke into very fine particles by the continuous action of sun, wind and water. This early soil was gradually scattered over the earth by the heavy waterfall and the wind storms. Small plants started growing on the soil. When these plants died, they rotted on the soil, and this makes the soil fertile. This helps the animals to grow on land. As the time passes, more and more rotting material from the dead plants and animals are mixed with weathered. Okay? To form a layer of soil on the earth. Okay? You will leave one line. Draw a line with a scale on. Right? Question number 2. What is the difference between sandy soil and loamy soil? You can draw a line in a center, and the two lines you can write in the heading of sandy soil or loamy soil, or you can write in the same way also. Sandy soil has a lot of sand and very little silt and clay. They can hold a lot of air but cannot hold water or nutrient for long. This is why sandy soil is not good for growing plants. You can say loam soil has the right mix of sand, clay and silt. It can hold air and water well, but it also allows water to flow easily. It also contains humus. That is why loam is the best soil for growing the plants. Okay, children, I will share these question answer. From there, you will write. Okay, don't worry for that. Children, again I am telling you, I am sharing this long question answer. You can write in your notebook by writing today's date. From the new page, you start this long question answer. No need to fill the index. You have already filled the index, the lesson name and date. Just write classwork in the new page and do the question answer. Okay, and as I will share the question answers PDF, from there you write the question answer. Write neatly, read, don't do any mistake. If anything is you have written wrong, you rub and write again. You are using pencils now, write dark pencil. Okay, so you can read easily. And children, try to you can make your own sentences also. If you want to write the same thing in you are filling the sentences hard, you can write in your own sentences also, but it should be correct. Okay, 2 questions we have done. Now we are going to done the question number 3. Yes. What is the importance of soil? The topsoil. The topsoil is very important. Topsoil contains sand, clay, humus, and water. It gives nutrient to the plant, and roots of the most plants grow in the topsoil. The topsoil is the most important layer of the soil. Okay, because we grow different types of crops here, na? And you will leave line. Then you will write question number 4. What is overgrazing and how does it cause soil erosion? Question mark. You will leave line and you will write answer 4. At times, animals keep eating grass in grassland without allowing it to grow back fully. This is called overgrazing. And it makes the soil bare. Bare means not good for growing plant, and loose also. So it becomes easy for the wind and water to carry away the topsoil and causes the soil erosion. To prevent the soil erosion, we should stop the overgrazing. You will leave line, draw a line with a scale, and then you will write the question number 5. How is terrace farming useful for preventing soil erosion? Explain. Leave one line and answer number 5. You have seen many times where you are going to by train or bus to any hill station. You will see such type of farming. It is called terrace farming or step farming. In terrace or step farming, terrace or steps are cut into the sides of the hill and crops are planted on these terraces. And these terraces slow down the flow of rainwater. And by doing this, due to this, this saves the topsoil from being washed away. Okay, children. Now we have completed the lesson. Already the 5 questions we have done. Hot question answer. You will just think over that, and nothing new is there. Okay. So, children, today we have completed the lesson. Okay. Again and again I am telling that I will share these all things in the PDF form. From there you can complete your left work. Don't be worried for that. And children, you must read the lesson carefully. Whatever I have taught you, you learn the book exercises as well as the defined words, and read the lesson and write the lesson neat and clean handwriting. Okay, you are at home nowadays, na? So, write neat and clean handwriting. Don't think that the teacher is not checking the copy. As the school will open, we will check the copies. We will ask for your notebooks, what you have written. So, maintain your notebook also. And you learn all the things, whatever taught to you. This is for all the subjects. Okay, children, tomorrow we will meet again and we will start new lesson. Before starting the new lesson, you complete the work of this lesson. Okay, children, bye bye. Meet you soon in the next class.